ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ಬೆಂಡೆಕಾಯಿ ಪಲ್ಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್.
ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೋರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್.
சமைக்க ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? In a kadai, take 2 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon chana dal, some curry leaves, dried red chili. Saute them. Once they splutter, add cut lady's finger. Wash the bendekayi well. Pat dry them so that they don't turn out to be sticky, and cut them into thin slices. Fry them together for a couple of minutes and then cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add salt as required. Fry them and continue to cover and cook for a couple of more minutes. Add red chili powder as per your spice level. Give this a good mix. You can see the non-sticky bendekayi almost ready. Now add 1 tablespoon besan flour. This will enhance the crispness and keep the bendekayi not sticky. Give this a good mix and continue to fry this in medium heat. Our non-sticky, crispy and tasty Bendekayi Palya is ready. Please do give this a try and share your feedback in comments. Chamayal ready.
Hit the like button, click the bell icon, subscribe for more videos.